Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial. This is the sequence of the tutorial number 12. So this one is about the windows. So last time we have the doors like this. So we talked about the pivot door, we talked about the sliding, and we talked about the bifold, three kind of doors. And now is the windows. So if you click on the list, you can find 1 2 3 4 5 6 windows. So Max is giving you 3 doors and 6 windows. So first one is awning. Okay, the first one. Okay, click on that. Obviously you can have some parameters like the doors. So let me go in a perspective view. Okay, you just click on that, let the mouse go. Okay, this is actually, guys, this is actually creating the base, and then you go up or down. Obviously you go up. You see there is a very good window is generating. Now you can tweak the height, length, and width and all that things, and then frame also. You can tweak the frame, and you can tweak this frame also, and threshold also. Okay, and then this one. Okay, and this one. Oh, okay, this one. So you can panel count. So you can do the panel things. So yeah, this is a very European kind of window. So the very very smart window. So you see that the just one click, and tweaking some presets, we can have this window. Okay, then the next one is second one is casement. I don't know, this maybe casement or something. Okay, let's see what it is. Same as like the base. Okay, maybe architects know what the meaning of the door windows actually. So this is like this. Okay, it has different parameters, like all of this has a length, width, and height, and depth, but this one is different. You can tweak the depth. Okay, and the two parts. So yeah, obviously you can tweak that also. So yeah, so okay, you can play with the parameters. So this is another type, and this is fixed. Okay, all the windows are starting from from the from the base, and then this is fixed. Okay, kind of you can tweak this. Okay, I don't know, this one maybe. Oh, okay, so maybe this. Okay, so you have to understand that which is the face of the things. So this is very popular among the architects and 3D designers who are working with a floor plan. This kind of window presets is very helpful for them with windows and doors. So obviously they will create the walls, and then the windows and doors they don't need to worry about, and everything built from the scratch. Of course they do. They if they want, they can do, but you can use these presets. And then this one is pivoted. I don't know Okay, kind of same, but you may have the different preset. Imagine this is the glass part and this is the metal, or or kind of a wood frame or something. Okay, okay, and then be projected or something. What it is? Oh, okay. So this is a different kind of a window actually. So the projected has some settings here. You can tweak that. Okay, and you can tweak that. So okay. So and sliding. Okay. The last one you have is the sliding. Okay, this one. So you can tweak that. You can tweak that. Okay. You can okay. You can tweak that. You can change that. Okay. So this is the sliding. So uh, if I go from the beginning, this is uh, this is called awaning. Okay, this is called cachenet, some sort of, maybe, yeah, maybe the architects can tell. Okay, this is the fixed. You see, all of the windows, you have to create the the base first. You have to create the base first, and then you have to tweak, like this one I'm doing. I'm just place it wrongly, so this is maybe, yeah, the fixed and the pivoted. Also the same kind of thing. You have to adjust it according to the presets. Okay, and then projected. Okay, this is a kind of projected window. Okay, wrongly distributed. Okay, maybe here, and maybe tweak the depth part. So you can see here is the window. So 3 slides. Imagine 3 glasses. Okay, and this one is the sliding. The last one is the sliding. The last one is the sliding. Okay, so you can see here. Oops. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. You see, later I will show you in the project that how to how you can use it in a floor plan. Maybe I will show you a floor plan that how you can apply these windows, these presets on your projects, so guys, here it is. So in the Windows section, Max is offering 6 windows. So you can customize them according to your needs. You can use them. So they are they are based on a modern window frame. So you can use them, and you can material them, and you can use in your modern projects as well. No problem, no issue. So yeah, so this is the window part. Goodbye guys.